Hi, I'm Lee. I'm the Carpentry and Joinery lecturer here at Andover College. We're in the Carpentry workshop of the Future Skills and Technology Centre. Let's have a quick tour of what we do. So, we've got a fully stocked tool selection, so all students need to bring with them for their studies is some safety boots and regular stationery equipment, pens, pencils, items like that. The practical activities we do will cover roofing. We'll teach you modern methods in truss roofing. We'll also teach you traditional methods in hand-cut roofing. We're currently designing and building some staircases. We will do kitchen fitting, lock fitting, stud work, door hanging. We'll keep you busy. We've designed 4 small training areas for students to develop and enhance their skills. Each student will be given their own bay where they can fit their door frame, hang their door, and do all the necessary items inside, skirting boards, dado rails, architraves, etc. The journey starts with us in level 1. The level 1 workshop is just through here. And with level 1, it's all about developing your hand skills, making sure you can cut straight, read a tape measure correctly, and work to set deadlines. It's getting you ready for that next step into training and hopefully progression into the industry. We do small woodworking joints, such as dovetail joints, bridles, and it slowly evolves to make more big frames and structures like that. The key things we're looking for is someone who's punctual, professional, and someone who takes it seriously. After level 1, a successful candidate will progress on to level 2, and we'll go into this workshop. We have a fully kitted out machine shop where we can run down timber to any shape and size as the need suits, and we can help any stretch and challenge or personal projects you may have. We can help you develop those. As mentioned before, the workshop is fully equipped and ready to learn. All we require is for a student to be capable and willing and put the effort in, and hopefully we will see you in September.